Welcome to Cooking with Janet. Today I will be showing you a very simple recipe that your kids could even make if they like tuna, that is. It's a recipe that my mother and I have been making for a very long time. No one else seems to like it except us, but it's delicious, and I'd love to share this recipe with you. We will be making tuna noodle casserole, the cheap version. You will need to start off with a box of macaroni and cheese. As the instructions will state, you will need a fourth a cup of butter, you will need a fourth a cup of milk, and you will follow the instructions on how to make the mac and cheese. In order to make the tuna noodle casserole, you will need 1 or 2 cans of tuna, depending on how much tuna you would like in your casserole. About a cup of peas. I like peas a lot, so I tend to put more peas in it. You will also need bread, about 2 cups. I normally use leftover hamburger or hot dog buns because I can never seem to make it through a whole pack before they go bad. You will need about an 1/8 cup of butter in a small bowl or a coffee cup, that way you can heat it up in the microwave. This we will pour over the casserole just before it goes into the oven. Clearly, you will need a pot in order to boil your macaroni and cheese. You will need a strainer in order to strain the macaroni and cheese. And lastly, you will need an 8x8 casserole dish in order to make your casserole. So we will start off by following the instructions to make the macaroni and cheese. I won't bore you with that. And we will also, while that is boiling, we will heat up our peas in the microwave and melt our butter in the microwave and tear up our bread into pieces. The next part of this video, I will show you how you put it together. It is very simple. Thank you.